In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chat as a desktop app. This quick setup lets you open Google Chat in its own window, just like a regular application, so you can stay focused, keep conversations handy on your taskbar or dock, and get notifications without digging through browser tabs. We'll keep it simple, walk through each action, and give you a few helpful pointers along the way. First, open your preferred desktop browser and go to chat.google.com. For the smoothest experience, use a Chromium-based browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or another modern browser that supports installing web apps. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account you use for chat. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check that you're in the right one before proceeding. A stable internet connection helps the page load all features cleanly and ensures the install option appears when it's available. Next, look toward the top right area of your browser, near the address bar. You're looking for the install icon. Depending on your browser, it may look like a small computer screen with a downward arrow, or a plus sign inside a circle. It's usually beside the bookmark star or within the address bar itself. If you don't see the icon, don't worry. Sometimes it appears only after the page has fully loaded. If it still doesn't show up, you may be using a browser that doesn't support app installation, or you might be on a managed work device where installs are restricted. Updating your browser or switching to a supported desktop browser typically resolves it. When you see the install icon, click Install. A brief confirmation prompt may appear. Choose Install to proceed. The app will set up in a moment and then open in its own window, separate from your standard browser tabs. You'll likely notice a new shortcut added to your Start menu on Windows or your Applications folder on macOS, and you can pin it to your taskbar or dock for one-click access. From here on, launching Google Chat will feel just like opening any other desktop application. Notifications will integrate with your operating system, and the window will remain dedicated to chat, keeping your conversations easy to find. That's all there is to it. Open chat.google.com, look for the install icon at the top right, and click Install. With those 3 steps, you've turned Google Chat into a handy desktop app and streamlined your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more focused chat experience.